Good. We're ready to start our circle time. Let's stand up. Start off by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand is on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes first. How do we say? I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, today is the 26th day of March. Next week, we're heading into the last week of March. Saturday is the 27th, Sunday is the 28th, and we'll be back here on one of our friends' birthdays. Ooh. It is. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. To figure out what today is. We're sitting quietly, my friend. There she goes. Days of the week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn.
Sunday and Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday. And Saturday.
Days of the week. 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 And today is Friday, March 26th, 2021. Let's figure out our pattern. We have hats and clovers. We're going to start all the way back up here at the 7th. Are you ready? Say it with me.
Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat.
Clover, clover, clover.
Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat.
So I need to pull down 2 hats. So that'll give us 3 hats in a row. Hat, hat, hat. What's going to be here? Clover! Ooh, you guys are on it today. I love it. On down here. You got it. It's in here. We're back here on our friend's birthday. All right. We said it was going to be partly sunny out. That was a pretty good prediction. I'll tell you what else is out there is a bit of wind. But what about tomorrow for our Saturday? What kind of weather are we going to have?
Sunny.
Sunny weather? That sounds good. I
Foggy.
think our friend at home made that prediction.
Foggy.
You think it'll be foggy in the morning? Maybe. With these temperatures the way they are, you never know. Foggy's fun. All right, let's say the alphabet together. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count on. Ready? We're going to count to 20. Touch your head. Touch your knees. Touch your toes. Touch your elbows. Touch your chin. Your chin. Good job. Hands in lap. All right, here we go.
Mine is wet.
Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
You. What shape? What shape is this? Right here. You. What shape is this? Uh-huh. All right. How about my friend sitting on the orange square? My friend sitting on the orange square. What shape is blue? Rectangle. Good job. All right. My other friend sitting on the blue square in the back. What shape is green? I am. What shape is green? Which shape is green? Circle. Good job. All right. My friend at home. Are you ready? My friend at home, what shape is gray? Nice. And I love how quickly you answered that. All right. Still with my friend at home. What color is sadness? What color is sadness? Blue. All right. What color is fish?
Orange.
My friend at home. Oh, that's quickly. All right, my friends here. What color is joy?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is the Oreo? Black. Wonderful. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a puppet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, let me have a quick second. All right, what is this?
Penny.
A penny. And a penny has a brown or copper color to it. And it's worth
1 cent.
Mm-hmm. What number is this?
2.
2. What about this one?
8.
8.
10.
10. You want to unmute our friend at home so we can hear him answer as well? Bless you. That was a big sneeze. Thank you, buddy. What number is this? 10. All right, everybody, let me hear you. What number is this?
9.
9. What number is this?
6.
Let me hear you at home. What number is it? All right, everybody answering together. What number? 7. What about this one? 5. How about here?
1.
1.
4.
How about this one? What is it?
4.
4. This one?
3.
3. And we're working on letters. Let's look at our letters. Let me hear you. What's this one right here? L. E. H. T. I. U. C. O. Q. G. How about these down here? What are these? S. J. And we're working on Duke's favorite letter. D. D says dinosaurs are your favorite that start with the letter D. Dog starts with the letter D. Dime and Donald Duck. All right, let's get out our maps. We're building on our own today. So let's go ahead and get our mats out and make that letter.
Get your pieces out, and you're on this side today.
Where do you start your
On this
letters
side
at
today.
the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Get your pieces out and put it at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top.
Good job.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. This is the top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
This is the top, top, top.
No, it's the middle. This side
It's the
today.
top, top, top.
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom.
Let's hear counting.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Go down. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top, top, top?
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top. All right, friends, we're making the letter D on your own. Go ahead and make it. Yep, flip around, Mr. Catboy.
Nope, not you. Flip over. You're using the
This
light
side.
blue side today.
Let's get started, Blue Square. Nope, not that side. You know the right side.
Go ahead and
Excellent
build
job.
Build
Tell
it.
me how to make it.
it. Nope, turn it over. Make the letter D.
Good. All right, put it in your pouch.
Good. Tell me how to make it.